Hello, today I'll show you how we repair damaged ignition locks for Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda and Seat Group vehicles in our online shop. The entire process begins with an order in our online store. To perform the service, you need to send us the damaged ignition lock along with all the keys you have for it. You can send the package via your local post office or any courier of your choice. While placing the order, you'll fill out a form and choose your preferred shipping and payment method. You can pay conveniently via bank transfer or cash on delivery when the repaired lock is returned to you. Once we receive your package, we start working immediately. First, we unbox the unit and perform an inspection. This ignition lock is jammed. The key only turns to the first position. To inspect the mechanism, we must unlock and disassemble the unit. We drill a small hole to release the jam in the ignition housing. After unlocking the housing, we remove the ignition cylinder. Then we take off the immobilizer antenna coil. Removing it allows us to pull the cylinder core out of the housing. We remove the core. You can clearly see dirt and old grease. The next step is disassembling the old tumblers and springs. Then comes the cleaning. We wash the cylinder components in isopropyl alcohol. If you need a professional ignition lock repair for Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda or Seat, OEM number 1K0905851, production years 2003 to 2025. Visit our online shop. You can find the links in the video description. In this case, the key blade is in perfect condition and doesn't need to be recut. Therefore, we proceed to install new springs and tumblers according to the original numbering. Quick explanation. Each tumbler has a number corresponding to its height. If the cylinder has 8 tumblers, there are 8 cuts on the key. When the numbers match, all tumblers retract perfectly when the key is inserted, allowing the cylinder to turn smoothly in the housing. After installing the tumblers, we lubricate everything with specialized grease and reassemble the ignition cylinder. We put the core back and reinstall the immobilizer antenna. Next, we insert the unit into a new housing. The old housing was damaged, the steering lock had failed, and the part was no longer usable after removal. Finally, we transfer the ignition switch from the old housing to the new one and perform tests. We check if the key turns smoothly and snaps back from the ignition position. The last step is securely packaging the repaired component and sending it back via courier. Now all that's left is for the customer to receive the package and test the lock in the car. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at our work.